This is an email I just typed, and I sent it. Now what I did was, I hope this will show up. I put my cursor down here on the bottom where it says DH and it turns up into a line. I'm going to highlight everything, not everything on the page, just the type if I can get it. Let me see. And I did. I got the type highlighted. I'm going to put my cursor on the highlighted type. I'm going to right click. Menu came up, says I'm going to click copy. I clicked copy. Now I'm just going to close out this mail. I'm going to bring up a PowerPoint thing as a PowerPoint thing. Now I got a blank thing. Now I just highlighted that email that I wrote, just the type, and I highlighted it and I copied it. Now I'm going to right click on this blank space. Now it says paste options. I put it on that first one. It lit up there. I copied. There's all the type that was on my email. It copied and pasted the actual type to the PowerPoint. Now, it's too small, though. I need it bigger. So here's what I'm going to do on a PowerPoint to make the type bigger that I have. I'm going to go up there to that 18. Uh-oh, I made a mistake. Here's what I have to do. In order to make that type bigger, I have to actually highlight the type. Then I go up to the font size. It's 18. I'm going to make it larger. We can see it getting larger. Let's make it about a 24-point type. Now, I can put my cursor directly on that line after I click on it and had the line around. I put my cursor direct on that line. Turns into a crossbar thing. I'll move it up there. And if I want to make the type wider or smaller or make it so it narrow enough to go all the way to the bottom of the page, I can move that type around, move it to the other side. This is a amazing thing to me. That is the end. Perhaps this would help someone. Oh, one other thing. Let me. You know what? If I take all that type out, if I do all that, and I click delete on my keyboard, all that type will come out, and I can type stuff back in there, whatever I want to. I'm just typing words, anything. I can type it all back in there. Anything I want typed in that block. Okay. Now, get rid of that. That's the end for real.